We are JL Schwieters. Over the last 40 years, we've perfected the process of manufacturing, delivering, and installing framing components, providing a one-stop shop for all framing needs.
Our facility is a full fabrication shop, so we fabricate the floors, the walls, build our own trusses. We basically set this from first floor all the way up to the roof.
We produce wall panels, floor panels, trusses, and other unique components that have innovated the way we provide turnkey framing solutions.
We try to pre-prep everything we can. When these bundle of walls go out in the field, the first wall that the field needs will always be on top of the pile for them.
Our turnkey framing system starts with our designers, who build out a digital model of the building first, verifying plans and optimizing the design for production. This saves us valuable time on the job.
So they don't have to move walls around and be unsafe out in the field. They can just hook them up to the crane right from the top of the pile and proceed on with putting the walls up in the field.
Building our framing systems in a controlled environment allows us to safely maximize production while increasing quality.
Hundreds of little metal clips, hundreds, probably 1,000. That's all getting pre-installed versus somebody in the field, 5 stories up, tied off.
We try to take any leg work from them out in the field. It's a lot easier for us to put a good product out there in the shop. They're working in the elements, the sun, the rain, the snow. We're in a roof. We can spend our time in here making sure there's no missing nails and they have a good, high quality, clean product out there.
Our exclusive, fully stocked lumberyard supplies our manufacturing facilities, ensuring material availability at all times. Automation technology helps us safely increase our production while reducing waste, helping our field team shorten cycle time and eliminate field adjustments, encouraging them to set it and forget it.
It reduces the amount of time we have to spend up on an elevated height. It takes days off the schedule, days.
Saves us a lot of time out here.
And for a subcontractor, they don't get paid by the hour, they get paid by the job. The better product they have and the faster they can get out of there, the more money they make.
Time is money.
The opportunity is there on every building, every type of building, whether it's apartment, single family. We don't shy away from anything.
We coordinate logistics with our team, ensuring our material arrives at the job site on time and in order. With state-of-the-art equipment and the best framers in the industry, our product is safely and accurately installed.
This is what we do.
We build homes.
Building people's dreams, basically, is what I tell them. I'm a dream builder.
That's how we innovate the framing process and generate turnkey framing solutions.